gonna take you on my journey of creating this YouTube channel. Let's create a YouTube channel together. Start your YouTube channel, I'll start mine. We can talk about ideas, what's working, what's not, any suggestions. Let's do it. It's 2024. Let's do what we wanna do. Let's not be nervous or afraid what people are gonna say, because to be honest with you, they're gonna say things anyway, so you might as well live the life that you wanna live, experience it the way you wanna experience it. People are gonna say things anyway. They are going to be your biggest supporters once you achieve success, but along the way, it's kind of you against the world a little bit. I wanna walk alongside you on your YouTube journey, so let's get to unboxing. Here's one of the boxes. I got a lot of my equipment from Best Buy, and I got the world's babiest scissors, which probably wasn't smart. Oh, this is the microphone. This is the Rode mic. I hope that's how you pronounce it. I was recommended this by other YouTubers. That's why I chose it. I'm so excited. The thing is with YouTube, audio and video are both really, really important. Almost all of our videos right now can do 4K video or HD, so everyone's got a video camera in their pocket. Audio can be a little finicky and tricky, and people aren't gonna stay tuned to your video. They're not gonna keep watching if you have poor audio. I really, really wanted a nice quality mic that I knew had been tried and tested by other YouTubers. That's why I picked this microphone. It connects to the camera that I'm going to open up next. It includes windshield, which is really important if you're gonna be doing blogging or going outside, which I am gonna be doing. Let's unbox the microphone. I have watched so many unboxing videos, by the way, of literally everything, whether it's camera equipment, Louis Vuitton bags, health and wellness stuff. So I just love that I'm doing this now. So it comes in this plastic right here, super easy to open. Here it is, my microphone. Okay, it's rather big. I would say this is taller than my iPhone. You can see it connects to your camera right here. Here is the battery that it comes with. Here are some of the cables. This connects to the microphone right here, like that. And then you've got about a couple 2-3 feet right there with the cord. So that's the microphone I'll be using to create my YouTube channels. I really, really wanted good audio, because without good audio, you really got nothing. Okay, now we are going to open up the camera. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. I bought this camera a couple weeks ago, and I've just left it in its box to do this unboxing video. I cannot wait. I have not opened this box up. I don't know what the camera looks like in person. I've worked with cameras before. I studied film, television, and theater back in college. I also worked in the news industry. I was an anchor, a reporter, a producer. I edited videos, so I have a little bit of background. I ended my news career. I haven't touched a camera besides my phone in a while. I am so excited. You can just see the excitement on my face right now. And don't judge my scissors skills. Okay, so this is the box. This all came from Best Buy, so your box might look a little bit different depending on the things that you buy. Here is the camera. It's a Sony. It's the ZV-E10 camera. And if that sounds familiar, it's because so many YouTubers have this camera. I didn't want to recreate the wheel. I didn't want to test a new camera, see what's out there. And I wanted something that was at a reasonable price. I think I purchased this for somewhere in the $599 range, $600 range. That's without all the different lenses that I want to use, and I really felt like this was a good investment for me for my YouTube channel, and I think it would be a good investment for you. This gives you that good quality video, easy to use, easy to take around, and the reason I picked this camera in particular is you can put on different lenses. So I am going to show you 2 different lenses that I have for this camera. So let's open up the box. Just so funny opening up these electronic boxes after we've all opened up our iPhones, MacBooks, any other Apple product, which is like the most beautiful packaging. It's so like sleek and sexy. I love it. This is just like, it just gets down to the point, you know, no frills. I kind of love it. This is the unboxing of the camera. Alrighty, what is this? Ooh, this looks like a little microphone windscreen here. You can see this pops into the camera. I probably won't be using this because I do have the actual microphone that I purchased. You can see the difference in size with what comes with the camera versus the one that I purchased. But hey, if you don't have money to invest in the microphone, this is still gonna do the job. So work with what you got, work with the money that you have, and invest into your YouTube channel as you get monetized, as you start making videos, and as you think you need more content. Then you have this strap. This is gonna be really nice. When I'm traveling, I'm gonna be doing some vlogging. I already have some trips lined up that I am going to vlog for my YouTube. I can't wait. So this is a nice strap right here. It says Sony on it. Alrighty, the camera. Ooh, I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how light this is. I was a little concerned that this was gonna be super, super heavy and that I'd be lugging around this huge camera. Pretty excited here. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I thought this was gonna be so much bigger. This is actually, in terms of height and width, I would say this is smaller than my iPhone. Obviously it's wider because of the lens that's on here. It feels like small. I have really, really small hands. So for me, I was really worried about this huge camera. And you can see the screen here. It comes out. You can also turn the screen if you want to see it while you're shooting. What I really, really liked about this, when I'm doing talking head videos, I will be able to face it towards me like this. I'll be able to see what I look like, what I'm doing. Right now I'm shooting on my iPhone. I can't see what I look like. So if the camera's looking crazy right now, I'm sorry, I apologize. I cannot see it. This is where it's going to be able to mount onto the tripod that I purchased. We have the on, off button right there. And you can see it has the menu function, display options, trash, and play. It has the lens cover for that. Okay, now I'm gonna go over the other things in the bag. Looks like this is the charger. So here's the battery. And I'm definitely gonna be buying more batteries, and I'm also gonna be buying dummy battery. That way I can basically just plug my camera into the wall when I'm making YouTube videos instead of constantly having to check battery and charging things and having a million different batteries. I mean, when I'm vlogging, I am gonna have to have extra batteries. For now, this is what's gonna work. I did purchase this with the lens. You can either purchase it without a lens or you can purchase it with a lens for like an extra $100. So I did purchase the 16-50mm lens that comes with it. And you'll see that online when you look it up, and I can link it also. This already has the lens on it. Alrighty, now let's open up the lens that I am so excited for. It is the Sigma lens. This is the holy grail of lenses. This is the 16mm f1.4 lens. And if you're like, what lens is that? This is the lens that when you put stuff in front of the camera, it kind of focuses on that and blurs everything else out. And then when you take it away, it focuses back on you. I have always wanted this lens. When I got a camera, so thrilled to be opening up this Sigma lens. Whoa, this lens is large, way taller than the lens that comes on the camera that I purchased. Oh my goodness. Now this baby is tall. I definitely am not going to be traveling with the Sigma lens quite as much. This is going to be like a home studio lens. Holy moly. And this is heavier than the camera, no joke. I really wanted that YouTube look of the blur. Investing in a lens is worth it. You wanna have that really cool visual that people are looking for when they're looking at a YouTube channel. It looks incredible. It looks expensive. I'm just so thrilled about this lens. I have been looking forward to opening up this box. These are my primary lenses that I'm gonna be using to make my YouTube videos. I've got my camera and my microphone. But that's where it's going to attach when I'm doing my talking head videos. This is going to be facing me, and then I'm also going to have the screen facing me like this. When I'm making my YouTube videos, I'll be able to see myself, and then obviously we'll have the good audio. Now I'll talk about my tripod. This is the tripod that I purchased. It does go full height. It's super, super sturdy. And this was about $100 or so bucks. So not too expensive. This was something other YouTubers have used. You can level it. It has a few different areas to go up. It does come with this snazzy bag right here so you can transport easily. This isn't too heavy, but it's sturdy, which is what you want in a tripod. You don't want this thing blowing away. You have a really expensive camera on top and probably a really expensive lens. You don't want to cheap out on the tripod. I wanted a good one. Lastly, I did splurge on one more item. I don't really want to carry around the camera all the time. I don't want to get my lenses dirty. I just want something a little bit more portable. I got the DJI Creator Pocket 3 combo. It's so handy. It's small. It can do vertical and horizontal videos, which is exactly what I want. I really felt like I needed this to be able to vlog and go out and about when I'm making my YouTube videos. Let's open up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the Creator combo, so it comes with a couple extras in here. I feel like I can throw this into my purse and carry it around with me when I'm doing vlog style videos. This definitely feels a little bit more like opening up an Apple product. It kind of has that snazziness to it that an Apple product box has. Just reading the box on the back here, it has a 2-inch, and that's the diagonal, rotatable screen. And that's one of the reasons I got this, because of that screen, because you can actually turn the screen vertical and horizontal, which I really wanted. I wanted to be able to be used for social media videos and for YouTube videos. This is also a gimbal. And if you don't know what a gimbal is, it's a way for the camera to remain pretty smooth when you're kind of moving your camera around. And that's why I'm doing this. Woo! When you're just using your hand with your iPhone, it's kind of a little bit shaky. You have certain settings on your iPhone that you can use that make it a little bit more clean, but at the end of the day, getting a gimbal camera is going to make your videos smoother and look cleaner, and that's really the look I was going for. This is also pocket size, comes with a protective cover. It comes with a mic, a handle, a battery handle, a mini tripod, a Type-C to USB cable, a carrying bag, a clip magnet, a windscreen, a wide angle lens, and a wrist strap. That was a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Not too heavy. This is a super nice bag. I really like this. It has the little carrying strap right here. It has the zipper. I really like this material. It does kind of feel smooth and easy to clean. I really like that black sleek look as well. It's super well organized. Kind of 3 columns on the inside where it holds all of your items. I've already seen 2 other windscreens. I'm not gonna open this up. You also have the cord. This side is the actual camera itself. This is convenient. I am obsessed with this. This is so, I am obsessed. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I feel like ET phone's home type vibes right now. I just was not expecting it to turn on. Woo, that freaked me out. This is the clip right here. So this is a microphone clip. So when I'm shooting videos, I can use the microphone clip right here. Ooh, let's look at this. What is this? Wide angle lens. So this is really small. You kind of have to be careful. Did create small little tight opening for the wide angle lens that you can just slip in there. So hopefully you don't lose that. This looks like the battery handle. This is the tripod, kind of like a little baby tripod. Screws in the top. I like it. I like how convenient this is. Everything fits into this little bag. This is the protective cover for the camera. Goes into here, and it's kind of protective for the camera. When you're traveling, you can throw this in your backpack. It keeps it protected. So this is the DJI camera that we just opened up for vlogging, doing all sorts of videos. That is the end of my unboxing. I do have a couple little extra items, a SanDisk memory card. What I heard from other YouTubers is you don't want to cheap out on your SD cards because you don't want to run out of space. 256 gigabytes. I got another one with 512, and this is super small. This one goes with the DJI camera, and this is gonna go with the Sony camera. I really just wanted a lot of space to make sure I have everything. I don't need to switch things up. I don't run out of space. I'm not deleting videos, all that kind of stuff. I also have a light. This is a portable light that I'm gonna be using just if I need it, you know, when I'm making YouTube videos, that kind of thing. You can change the brightness. This is on low. This is is on high, pretty nice. You can change the color temperature as well. This has that blue tone. This has more of that orange tone. So this is somewhere in the middle. But I also have this magnetic sticky, which is nice. I take a lot of selfies like this. I don't like my selfie just at arm's length because my arms are pretty short. I want to have the ability to take it off. I will say it does come off sometimes, like in your purse, but this is a casely. It's a grippy. I really, really like this and recommend this for your phone because I previously had one that like you actually stuck on here and then you couldn't really take it off. I felt like that wasn't really functional. So that is everything that I purchased for my YouTube room. Next up, we are going to completely transform this space into my YouTube studio. Stick around for my next video where we are going to completely redesign this room. You are not going to recognize it. And let's make YouTube videos in 2024. It is your time. It's my time. We can do this. Don't be afraid. Let's make YouTube videos together. Bye.